In the future, Finks Unlimited will definitely be doing business again with Lombard equipment.
AC Automotive will definitely continue to work with Lombard equipment. They've been there for us in the past, they've been there for us in the present, and they'll definitely be there for us in the future.
So for that reason, we've done business with Lombard and will continue to do business with Lombard. Not only that, they promised me a rivet gun to sit here in front of this camera and talk to you guys and beef them up a little bit. Just kidding.
In the future, we will definitely look to Lombard equipment for our future purchases. Since the collision industry is always evolving and ever changing, we've took notice that Lombard equipment is striving to stay ahead of the curve on helping us meet all the OE requirements for our equipment that we need moving forward. That is why we will continue to do business with Lombard equipment.